Hi everyone, Soaping Grammy here, doing my soap slash craft room tour. So here, this is my desk. This is where most of my craft stuff is. So I started out crafting and then moved into soaping in May. For those of you that don't know me, I'm from Idaho. So there, I just got a tripod and a microphone, so my videos should get better. There's my Dyson. This is a must-have for your soap or craft room. And this is where I do all my soaping at. I'll come back and talk about a couple things when I'm done showing you the whole room. Bunch of supplies. This is where I do my packaging and planing and beveling and cutting of my soap. And then in here, my messy closet. I've got all kinds of supplies, and silicone mold obsession is bad. And then these are my curing racks. I've got, those are little coffee soaps that I made for Christmas. I'm going to change out the sleeves on them for either Valentine's or just some plain ones. Some soap that I just made. That video will be coming up. Some candles, some pain relief lotion bars, some more soap. Some soap I brought home from my shop so I could use. Lip balm supplies and flavor oils and candle wax and tins and soap pumps. A box of samples. This box I'm going to use for it's soap. I'm going to use it to make laundry soap out of. This is washing soda that goes in the laundry soap. And then, yeah, my mold obsession. It's bad. And I don't clean them out until I use them again. More down there. Yikes. Supplies. Mailing supplies. I don't know if I showed up here. More stuff. So one of the things I'm going to talk about, this is, I love this thing. I keep this on here because it's really sharp. This planes the soap and then this part bevels it up here. If you're interested in where I got this from, just comment and I'll look it up because I can't remember offhand. And I'll let you know. My granddaughter, she's, what is she, 14, 15 months now? Her coloring. Some melt and pour embeds I made for Valentine's Day soaps that I did. This is my soap cutter. I love this thing. If you're interested in that as well, just leave a comment. And then I just keep all shipping supplies and different things in there. I got these at Goodwill for, I don't know, like 20 cents. It says 40, but then it was pink label day, so you got it on sale. I don't know what I'm going to do with those yet. Candles. Some other candle containers. And I don't know if you noticed, all my soap curls, they're everywhere. Anywhere I can tuck them in, they're all open and just drying out. I'll use them later on in a soap. My lotion that I use for myself, I think this one's Vanilla Bean. all my fragrance oils and tools. I have this plastic knife in here that I use to cut my butters that my mother-in-law got me. I love it. It's easy to clean. This is all my micas and dyes and additives and glitter. Never have enough glitter. And then piping stuff, sprinkles, and I've got the star mold, and this one's the heart mold. And I just got some rags and supplies in there. Bunch of my recipes up there. My favorite sign. My husband actually bought that for me. This I use to hang my recipes. They're handy. Oh, and these bamboo towels. They're pretty cool. They're reusable and you throw them in the wash. They're really cool. I think I got them at Fred Meyer, but I'm sure you can get them anywhere. And then these are just some of my tools that I use. This that I wanted to tell you about, my husband bought me the 6-quart, I believe it is. Yeah, 6-quart. KitchenAid. And the really cool thing is the water jacket. If you guys make body butter at all, this is the best investment ever. The water jacket doesn't cost very much. I know this mixer did, but this, you put ice and water in here. And so when you're mixing your body butter, it doesn't get hot. And you know how you have to put it in the freezer or refrigerator, whatever you do, and then take it out, whip it, put it back in. Well, with this, you don't. And it's a time saver. It's the best. Let's see. And my gloves and my thermometer and my Presto pot, making wax melts and candles. That thing makes it so much easier. More supplies. Just got that at Big Lots, 20% off. And it was this, I think it's a 5. What else was I gonna tell you about? Yeah, I know. My son bought me this for Christmas. And I put all my glass bottles in it. Worked out kind of nice. The dropper bottles and my little vials. Anyway, I think those are perfume roller ball ones. This is my first attempt at liquid soap. This is actually foaming soap. Those are my 4-pound molds that I started doing soaping with. And then now I mainly use the 5-pound Brambleberry molds. I just got that one. That's a 12-inch high mold. I made those pink and white soaps in. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any questions.